Hey guys, this is just a quick video, just a quick update on the Kia. You guys know it's been on jack stands for a while. Don't forget to subscribe. Just a little quick cross garage video. Just got these tires. These are 205 65R 16s finally. There was a big issue. I'll explain it. It was with Amazon. The tires that I got before weren't the right ones. Sent them to Amazon because they were mounted. They don't want to take them back. So now we're dealing with trying to get our refund there. So just been a lot of issues, but I finally got these tires. We decided to just go ahead and get them and fight for our refund. So I'll be putting them on the back. You know, you always put the new tires on the back, rotate those tires to the front. Those are really good. Those have a lot of tread. These will be brand new on the back. So just wanted to do just a quick update on the car. Finally, I'll be able to drive it. Today's Friday. Yeah, to December 18th. So I'm really excited because I have to go to, well, actually just stay tuned where I have to go because it's really big opportunity for me. So you guys know I love boxing. It has to do with boxing. So today's content that I will be filming today with the camera is really good, but I just want to just get this up, just a quick video up on YouTube, just on the update of my car. And stay tuned for the next video because the next video will be about where I'm going, and it's a huge opportunity. Can't wait. It's like one of the best opportunities that have come along my way in this YouTube world. So guys, I will put the link to these tires down below. I got them from a store, but I'm pretty sure Amazon has them so that you guys can go ahead and pick them up. Really good tires, really good tread pattern, especially for rain here in Houston. So got these, are pretty cheap too. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.